Hello, this is my last month in college, so get ready with me for school. Today, I'll wear something brown and green. I'm so excited about this. Yung dalawang to from Ukay, you already know, okay? Yung boots na yan kasi guys, hindi ko pa siya nasusuot outside for like a long time. So, ite-test natin siya today. Kung kaya niyang magtagal sa labas. Kung masira siya, edi, good luck to me. Isa lang yung klase ko today. Pero, mag-dress up talaga tayo. Kasi nga, patapos na yung school, te. Ibuhos na natin lahat. This is how the skirt and the boots look together. Okay. Bagay yung robe sa boots. Okay, pwede na to. I was thinking of this. Medyo, okay, hear me out. Try muna natin siya. So, ito siya, initial look. Sana gets nyo ko. Sana gets nyo ko, okay? Kasi kung hindi nyo ako gets, okay lang din naman. Kasi ako naman yung nagsusuot. But like, alam niyo yung vibe na gusto kong iparating? Sana mag-gets nyo. Okay. For accessories naman, parang natanggap ko na parang silver talaga yung better fit for me. Pero for this outfit, feel ko bagay sa kanya yung gold. So let's go with gold for today. So ang choices natin, this or this. I think ang atake ko today ay untouchable bad girl. Para bang? Yes, hello, good morning. Ay! Yeah! Okay na to, brown and green. My green, okay? Yes! This is our final look for school, guys. All ukay, so no links for today. No. Also, feel like this is such a new look for me. Feel ko new yung vibe natin today. That's why I really have to take pictures. So, see you on Instagram. That's it. Bye!